this is Gloria. I'm the field organizer for Friends of the Forest Preserves. Today, on Global Migratory Bird Day, I am visiting Kickapoo Woods. At this site, volunteers work really hard to restore the very prairie that I'm standing on right now, as well as the woodlands and savannas that surround it. Each spring, we are able to see their dedication and hard work pay off as migratory birds stop and are able to enjoy the habitat we worked so hard to protect. Today, I ask you that you stay with me throughout this video and enjoy a minute of silence and quiet. I will say you will hear probably cars passing by or railroad noises because there is like a railroad stop right on the north side of the site and a really busy road on the east side of the site. So please stick by and enjoy this video. If you happen to hear or see a bird, please let me know on the comment section what you think it is.